Welcome, I'm Drew James Whitmore. In my 30 years as a physician, I've seen countless patients make one fatal mistake. They ignore the warning signs their body is sending them. They tell Dr. Whitmore, I get cramps at night, I feel tired all the time, and my vision is getting blurry. Most people dismiss these as just part of getting old, but I want to tell you the truth, that's not exactly right. The truth is, those signs are a cry for help from a body that's missing a golden nutrient you can find right in your kitchen pumpkin seeds. And I'm here to show you the 4 signs on your body that prove you need them now. Have you ever found yourself waking up to use the bathroom multiple times at night, especially after turning 60? This isn't just an inconvenience. It's a clear sign that your prostate health is struggling. Pumpkin seeds are a zinc powerhouse, an essential mineral for prostate health. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that zinc supplementation can significantly improve symptoms of prostate enlargement. Next, have you ever been jolted awake by a sudden, painful cramp in your calf? That's not just discomfort. It's your body screaming for magnesium, a crucial mineral that acts as a natural lubricant for your muscles, helping them relax and preventing those painful spasms. Are you finding that your vision is getting blurry and reading is becoming a chore? Pumpkin seeds contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which act as warriors that shield your eyes from age-related damage. They read like a natural sunscreen for your eyes, helping to prevent macular degeneration. And finally, I want you to ask yourself, how is your heart doing? Pumpkin seeds contain powerful antioxidants and omega-3s that help to clean out the plaque buildup in your arteries. This is the key to protecting your heart and ensuring it continues to beat strong for many years to come. So, start today. Just by adding a handful of pumpkin seeds to your salad or yogurt every day, you're actively repairing and protecting your body from the inside out. If you want to learn more about how natural foods can help you live a healthier, more independent life, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. I'm here to walk this journey with you.